We'll guide you through how to make anime edit look with Wink. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create anime-style edits quickly using Wink without needing advanced design or editing skills. This tutorial helps users transform ordinary photos into stylized, eye-catching visuals that look more artistic and engaging. To begin this tutorial, open Wink on your mobile device. Once the app is open, click Agree on the pop-up for terms and privacy policy to confirm that you accept the required conditions and proceed to use the application features. After that, click Login to access your account and continue with the setup process. Next, check the box for terms of service and privacy policy to ensure that you have agreed to all necessary requirements before continuing. For example, select Login with Google so you can sign in quickly using your existing account. Then choose the Google account you want to use and wait until the login process is completed successfully so you can access all available features. Now you have successfully logged in. Click the Home menu to return to the main interface where you can access different tools. After that, click All Tools to view all available tools provided by the application so you can explore more features. From the list of tools, select AI Art to begin creating stylized images using artificial intelligence. Next, choose the art type you want to use, for example similar to the video, so the result matches your preferred visual style. After selecting the art type, click Generate to start the process and allow the system to prepare the selected effect. Then choose the image you want to use from your device so the AI can process it based on the selected style. Once the image is selected, your image will be automatically generated based on the selected art style, transforming it into a stylized version without requiring manual editing. After the generation process is complete, click Save to store the result on your device so you can use it later or share it as needed. Click Continue to complete the process and return to the main interface, confirming that your image has been successfully created and saved.